Can we give a big round of applause once again, please? Thank you very, very much, ma'am, for being here with us, for blessing Avanti and giving her, the incredible knowledge that you've given her. As you can clearly see, I took the easy way out and read the introduction here, but honestly, this is a young woman. She's just 19 years old, and she's using all the knowledge that she's got from classical to Western to pop, and she's getting all of it together in this incredible sound that she has. Let's give her a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And with that applause, keep that applause going, because the next legend that I spoke about is coming up on stage. Honestly, needs no introduction at all. You've all heard his music. You've all heard his guitar playing. He's absolutely incredible. One of my favorite people in the world. Let's welcome on stage Mr. Ehsaan Nurani. Yeah, let's get that.
Of course it didn't work, of course. Yeah. No, thanks for having me here. Really, it's really an honor to be here, and I love your music. And I just heard it in the car because Ashish sent it to me a couple of days ago. But it's contemporary and it's trendy and it's really with the times. And I love your singing, and fantastic.
Thank you so much.
And I've got to really hand it to Ashish for putting something together. Flying Carpet Productions. We all talk about doing indie music, but he's doing it, and it's really fantastic. Really, Ashish, fabulous job. And, to all the guys who worked on the songs, the producers, you can see that it's got the width to today's sound. And, I really look forward to seeing more stuff coming out from here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ehsaan. So many times. All right, let's bring up the third legend on stage. Again, needs no introduction. He's been making music for probably longer than both of us combined, our ages combined. Okay, he's gonna get angry at me for that, but honestly, he's been doing it for the longest time. Put your hands together, be loud for Mr. Ranjit Barot. Okay, maybe I lied.
Now, I was trying to look at the oldest guy in the room when you were saying that. No, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yes. I was talking to Loy earlier about something, about why a lot of us who have crafted our, who have worked hard at what we do, Ehsaan, Loy, myself, Ashish has worked very hard. I've seen him grow over the years. Why we haven't, why do we live here? Why haven't we relocated and tapped into some other market? Because there is a revolution coming. There's a storm coming, and it's coming from here. Make no mistake, everything, films, visual art, dance. I'm sorry if I'm biased, this is the greatest country on the planet. Yeah. I think this is an effort to excite Indians about India. What's not to love? I love it. I want Indians to be excited about India. I want to be in the front line, firing the first shot or taking the first shot. I don't mind. Ashish is doing something. I've seen him grow over the years. He's a good little lad. He's a good guy. He's one of the good guys. I know this. He's younger than me, but I learned a lot from him too. And I think the only way to stay relevant is to know when there is information that you need. We all need it. The day you think you know it, sorry, become a stockbroker. Yeah? So I wish you much luck.
Thank you so much, sir.
This is a brave path you've chosen, because shit will come your way. Just like death and taxes. But this is the life we chose. This is what we want to do. We want to play music. We want to share this life story with people, and kick some ass along the way. And it wouldn't be a bad thing to get paid. So I wish you all a very good evening, and I congratulate this young lady. I congratulate Ashish. More, I congratulate his better half, Ujjwala, because I know the effect and the determination that she has instilled in him definitely wasn't there before she came into his life. No, there was a determination, but this sort of amplifying things came, I suppose, should I say it, Ashish? Should I say what's on everyone's mind? Let me say it. We were talking the other day and somebody asked me, actually my wife said, I'm working on some music which I want to release very soon, and she said, it's amazing how much drive you have after so many years. I said, it's really survival. I don't know about drive. I mean, drive, yes, but, you know, it's somebody, you know this YouTube star, Shankar Tucker? I don't even know what that means, being a YouTube star, but apparently it exists. And he asked me, so when you write a song, when is it ready? I said, when I get my daughter's school bill, it's ready. This is the world we live in, the world of magic, and this totally surreal other place where we have to try and convince people of magic. And this is what they're attempting to do, and they have my support, and I'm part of the clan. God bless you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. You know, speaking of being part of a clan, there's another thing that kind of unites Ehsan, Ranjit, Barot, and Avanti, and that is the first word over there, which is, well, the second word technically, not from, cathedral. They are all from cathedral, so any other cathedral people, please give yourself a big round of applause. So there were like about 8 people from cathedral who are like, okay, yes, and the other people are like, okay, what about us? Let's give everybody here a big round of applause. Thank you for being here with us. You guys are fantastic. You could have been anywhere else, but you are here. And you know, I think one person who'd be extremely grateful that you guys are here is the gentleman that both Ehsan and Ranjit spoke about so sweetly. And he's looking at his phone because he's a little worried now. I know getting up on stage is daunting, but he's going to do it right now. Let's make it easy for him by giving him the biggest round of applause, because it's because of him that Avanti, me, and a whole bunch of other people that you see here behind the scenes, they're doing what they are doing. He's leading the path right now. He's making dreams come true for a lot of young people. Let's give a big round of applause and welcome on stage Ashish Manchanda. Let's get loud. Come on. I know you can get louder than that. Brilliant.
So today I thought I'll keep it a little more together. As my young friends and colleagues would know, I have a tendency for breaking down. So you'll help me out here. Firstly, I would really like to say a big thank you, and we are grateful to the Nagral family. Ajit, first Vibhu. Where's Kabir? I need to see Vibhu, because this is a special day. Oh, come on. And Ajit, taking care of everybody there. Sure. Kabir, for entrusting us with your daughter and the music. Really thankful to you for really, trusting us and this journey that we said that we are going to embark on. And as Ranjit said, that it's for the bold and beautiful. So I think we all are bold, maybe. This is bold and beautiful. So Avanti is a torchbearer in this chapter. There have been several chapters in India with independent music, as it's called, and it has never reached the scales that it probably could have. There have been individuals in the past who have done a lot in their capacities, but as a synergetic effort, it won't become an industry till certain significant people come together to help propel this into the next chapter. There has always been talent in India and many other countries. It is just some countries have organized them in this century, like the Americas and Europe, where they all have yielded and people have supported to make it a big business today, which makes careers for a lot of people and enriches lives of a lot of people who listen to fantastic music, movies, stories. So we are on our journey for that. Avanti is a significant torchbearer. She's just 19. And for me, beyond a point, age is actually one transcends age, but the focus, drive, determination, she can make all the men in this room walk on their toes and keep them on their feet round the clock to get every job done in time. Let me tell you, that's really something. So kudos to you, really, So we are ready to take center stage amongst some of the most respected music makers of our time. I mean, there are stalwarts over here, from Ranjit, Loy, Ehsan. They've done fantastic things and continue to do so. in the next chapter. The next chapter of youngsters are coming out from India, and it's a great time we need people like you, the press, to start even talking about, it's like what happened with Kabaddi. It's like one of our sports, but it has really gotten going because it's a 360 ecosystem now that supports this.